we will be dealing with two masses. Okay? This could be M1 and this is M2 connected by a spring. Kani, gisolve ninyo ni sa mechanics 1, wala. Gisolve niyo sa mechanics 1 ni wala. Wala. Okay, so we have this system. We have a spring constant K. So, unsa to yung first, we need to assume unstretched length of the spring. Okay? Let the unstretched length of the spring is L to be the unstretched length of the, what's the spelling sa length? TH, no? THHT. Okay. The unstretched length of the spring. And now, okay, asa nato ibutang karon ang ato ang kuan dire? Okay, mag-aanaay man na sila, no? Okay? Now, of course, ang atong buhaton is that we set our coordinate system here, no? Ana siya dire. Okay, this will be our spring, our mass 1, connected by that spring. And this is by, this will be our X1, and this will be our X2. Okay? And the unstretched length of the spring is L. Okay. So, sa ato pa, if X1 is siya, and let's this to be the unstretched. Kung unstretched siya, let this to be L, no? So, sa ato pa, if the spring is unstretched, sabihin, this plus L is naa dire, tama? Okay? If the spring is unstretched, meaning that this mass 2, that the second mass should be here, right? Sabtan? Muna kailangan ninyo i-set up, no? If the spring is unstretched, then naa ni siya dapat dire, right? Okay, if diri natin ibutang ang first, no? Okay? Naman tayo freedom sa first. So, if diri natin ibutang ang first, then the second, if the spring is unstretched, then it should be here. Right? So, from here, makita nato unsay deformation sa spring. What is now the deformation of the spring? That would be this. This is okay. I'll give this L. Okay? If the spring, usbon ako ha, if the spring is the spring is unstretched, this one should be here. Right? So meaning X2 should be equal to X1 plus L, right? If the spring is unstretched. But of course, there's something na-stretch na siya or posibleng nga na-compress, no? Posibleng nga naa-dire ang unstretched length and then igamay noon siya. Okay? So pareho na siya. So what is now this distance? We are looking for this distance. This is now the deformation of the spring. We have only one potential here because we only have one spring. So what is the deformation of that spring? Kani? What is the deformation? That would be, okay? Of course, this would be X2. This is X2 minus this length. But what is this length? That is just X1 plus L, right? Tama? This whole length here is X1 plus L. Sa ato pa, this delta X here, kana siya, that delta X is just equal to X2 minus X1 plus L. Okay? So, sa ato pa, our potential energy would be 1/2 K delta X. So, that would now be equal to X2 minus X1 minus L squared. Okay? So, what is now what's the potential energy? 1/2 M X dot, okay, M1 X dot squared 1 plus 1/2 M2 because we have two masses there. Okay? X2 dot squared. Okay? So, of course, our Lagrangian would be this minus that, no? So, 1 half m1 x1 dot squared plus 1 half m2 x2 dot squared minus 1 half k x2 minus x1 minus L squared. Okay? And of course, di na ako i-derive ang equations of motion. Okay? I leave that to you as practice. So, muna yung buhaton, ha? Pagkahuman sa ano, tunan na ninyo yung mga subject, yung ano, kay parang di mo tanga, pangutanon sunod. Nga magsiga lang inyong mata. Magnanga lang mo. No? When tag-cute mo tanaw, kung siga inyong mata, di ka ba? Okay, ako manggani nga kapilan na ako ni gano, magbasa pa manggani ko before kumuan ni kuan, magbasa pa manggani ko. Mag-study pa manggani ko. Unya kamo noon ug kano sa taga-quiz ay hara mo study di. Mo na. Mutirik ra inyong mga mata, murag nasulirap. Okay. We have here what we call a simultaneous differential equation. Okay? Nakay 2 ano dire, kay nakay x1 ug x2, right? So ang isa kay nakay m x1 double dot and equals m1 ang second one is m x2 double dot equals, no? So this is a second order differential equation. So you found out that the two differential equations. Okay?